we got a human arm as an example. Arm, biceps, triceps. Other part right here. Wrist and hand. This is mostly a human arm, and we got that finger. That finger going on. Okay, in birds, what happened? I want to show you exactly what's happening in a bird arm. The shoulder is going to be like this. Oh yeah, like this. Oh yeah, and it's going to curve down. Oh yeah, the arm, triceps and biceps going to curve down. It's going to curve just a little bit more, okay? Let's curve it just a little bit more, okay? Nothing to hurt you, okay? The biceps and triceps of that animal goes a bit further. You think we're going to stop now? No, no. Now we are going to the other part of the arm. Okay. And now we got the hand of the bird. This is the hand of the beautiful creature that we are drawing right now. Okay? Any questions? Any questions? And there are some birds that are most likely this. But you got what I meant. And their fingers go like this, and this, and this. Okay, now I'm going to pass a little curve going down, a curve going upwards, and then, and just make a slash here, like a stroke, big stroke right here. This is the basic part of the birdo arm, okay? And I'm like, okay, but what I do right now, I don't know what to do right now. Wait, peace inside your heart, okay? This here, this point right here, okay. There are some feathers that are going to get out from this point, and make a movement like this. They're going to get out from here and go like this, okay? And you will notice the point that those feathers are going out and forming like a half of a circle, like this here. I just did like waves. You don't need to do these waves. You can make it just clean. Yes, you can do this clean. Let me show you that you can do this clean. You don't need to follow everything that I do, okay? You have freedom. Here you can see it. Like this. And this is not... We're going to have a lot of layers of feathers. This is one of them. You can see here. We got another going on here. A big one here. Let's see how many layers we are going to add to this masterpiece. It's going to be a great masterpiece. Oh yeah, we have done one here. Oh, we are going to do a smaller one here. Yes, we are going to add another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Okay, this is another one. We got 3. Let's go to another one. It's mother. And following even more the arm. You can see that I'm going to follow each time more the arm. Okay, we are going to have a last one here, really small. Really small, but it's not something that we need to bother right now. Let's go to the big one. It's simple, okay? Here, we got a feather, and it's coming back, okay? And it comes back. And you'll be like, yes, but how do I do this point, this part here of the feather? Okay, feathers are like this. A hard part. There's where there's blood passing through, and some fur around it, okay? Some fur. Some beautiful fur around it. Okay, some beautiful fur around it. More close to this part, the ending part, the bigger the fur is going to be. In the side, I did one side smaller than the other because of perspective. Both sides tend to be about the same size. It depends on the angle that you're looking at. Remember, this part is going to get more space between the feathers. And here, it's going to be, let's say, a big party. It's going to be a big party and every feather is like, woo! Oh, I know you, oh, I see you. Everybody's close. Remember the wigs, it's going to be everything together, like really together. You see, space it, party, getting a bit taller and small. In my mind, it's like some arrows going like this. I always think of the arrows. Here, you can add a small layer if you want, like this, or you can just make this one go all the way to the end, okay? And I want to show you a different type of wing too. There are some birds too, that got these ones bigger than the rest. I'm gonna show you something that you can do if you want. If you want, you can just pick this, press Ctrl T, and then just click on it, and click on wrap, and you just push it, pull it, push it. You just extend it all the way. All the way. Oh yeah. You can make this one bigger than the rest because they are like the special ones, okay? They are VIP. But don't forget to make the volume of them keep the same, you know? Don't make them fat. They are wings. And right here, it's going to be darker. I'm going to do something that people normally don't do, and they do completely the opposite. I'm going to do the ending part of the feathers darker, and I'm going to do lighter, the parts close to here, the received shadow. You're going to see what I'm doing, you're going to see, we're going to see. Again, I'm going to do another gradient. And now I'm going to invert my selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I. And now I'm going to remove, holding out, and picking all this place here that I don't want to paint on. Now I'm going to do some shadows. Yes, what I did were some shadows. Those things were shadows. But we need to do between these ones in the party, you know? Okay, remember, on the other side of the shadow, you got light. Oh yes. Here you get some light. Oh yeah, but maybe not here. Let me see it clearly. Yes, it's not going to be on this side. It's going to be on this other side. Why, you may ask? Because this is a darker part of this feather right here. And this one is like receiving direct light here. Okay, just making some random movements here. Just make some random, like this here, like this, okay? Just like this, I'm doing the movement. Oh, where the feathers are really small. I'm going to use the smudge to this beautiful tool again. 80% of strength. I just pressed number 8 on my keyboard. Yeah, I'm going to use even more the smudge tool right now. Yeah, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it to make the fur details, okay? and I'm just fixing mistakes. If you see some mistakes in our artwork, like this, it's too thick, just fix this. Just make it thinner. Okay, I'm going to put some light here. I'm going to use the mode on my brush Color Dodge. Here I'm just applying some Color Dodge. And since you are here until the end of the video, subscribe to get even more quality content to improve your art, and leave a like so we can share this with even more artists. I'm going to leave here a playlist full of tutorials. Check it right now. You're awesome, champ. Bye bye!